Alright, hi everybody, I'm Johnny Master Pardon at TI1623. You're really not going to see much of my face, but today I'm going to show y'all what y'all need to do to drill into your Ultrasaber. This will even help the people over at Ultrasabers over in Texas. Shout out to them guys for telling me what bit, to get and all that. Shout out to y'all. Anyway, so I already did this earlier today. I just didn't think about making a video, but when I get another one of these, I am going to actually record me drilling on it. It's going to take a while. That's a lot of aluminum to go through. So anyway, so the bits you're going to need a drill bit, and then you're going to need a threading bit. You're going to need a self-tapping threading bit. Well, more of a threading bit, excuse me. I'm not tool inclined, but I know what to get when I need it. Okay, and then there's your drill bit. And this is the package that it came with, y'all. It's an Irwin Hansen, so it's an 8-32, number 29 drill bit. So there it is right there. So there's all the information you need. Hold it there for a minute. Okay, go on. Okay. No, moving on. All right, so what I did was, you just simply put the drill bit in your drill. Make sure you get it all dead center. There you go. All right. If you have settings like this does, so that's wicked too fast. If you're new to this and you shake your hands a lot, low RPM it, okay, all right, and then once you get the hole put in, as you see here, take the bit out, put the thread bit in, get it really tight, okay. You want to keep it on low speed, low RPM, set it for 1 if you have that type of setting, okay. Now, and then you just basically, just put it in the hole. Just put it in the hole. Got to get it straight in just like that. I'm not going to turn it because I don't want to redo the threads again. All right, that's it. Okay, easy peasy, saw and squeezy. Okay, but it's going to take a while to get through that, get the drill through that. Okay, so be careful about it. All right, now, top of glue. I didn't use any glue, but I am going to use it now. So mine, when I drilled mine, it kind of went at a slight angle-ish, but it actually turned out really good, and it's actually not coming out. But if you go in at a slight angle and tap it at an angle, you got to keep it at that angle. Keep it straight, or the little screw's not going to screw in very good, okay? So I got lucky with that. I took my time with it. I did. Once the threads started getting in there, and I kind of just pulsed it a little bit with the trigger, everything started to sit in perfectly fine. So I am going to take some Gorilla Clear Grip, bonds with metal, glass, fabric, wood, ceramic, leather, paper, plastic, and more. I've had this for a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit in that hole. Do not worry about this because the saber does not go all the way down into the hilt. It only goes about probably right around midway down about here. The LED sits right in here, so you're fine here because the button's on that side. So there's the button. So that's where you want to put the hole at, right there in the middle on the other side of the button. It's okay because this is bottom heavy, because on the back side of here is threaded, so that's why I just wanted to put it here. But then I'm like, no, because the battery, I don't want it. So it looks cooler with it up here because it's bottom heavy. The way I did it. So that's how I did it. And plus it actually lines up with the actual hole, where you put your bit, the little screw, so it actually lines up with the screw. So not bad, huh? Actually lined it up with the window. So I mean, it's just a little off, but that's okay. I mean, first time I'm doing that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of glue in here now. I did not do this earlier. I didn't think about doing a video until now. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just kind of take the screw, yeah, And I'm just going to kind of dab a little bit on there, just a little bit. You know, just a little bit around it. Try to get a little bit on there. Okay, now we're going to put it through the ring on the top here. Okay, now it's in the ring. Okay, and then we're going to just put just a little dab of it. Right there, don't overdo it. I should be doing this on a wooded desk, but I decided to film this in my room, and that's okay. Alright, now we're going to seat it right on top. If you have an iFixit kit, this is what you're going to need. So here's the top. Here's your mini sockets here. So this is an Allen head. Yeah, an Allen head. So you're gonna, this is where that one came from. The first one down here. So you want to grab that one. I do not know the size. I just take a guess at it, and what fits is what fits. And then all you got to do is just screw it in. And voila. Piece of cake. Now when you drill it in, don't go all the way through, because then you'll hit a wire or something, or even this switch. So I was very cautious about how far. Once I got the hole through with the drill bit, I kind of just went just a little bit more to kind of clean it out, and then I took the threader. And you always want to check your switch. Okay, it's actually working. Cool, right? All right, well, that's it really, y'all. And I actually test fitted it on my Jedi belt too. I did, and it looks good. So mine's gonna be sticking up like this, but without the blade in it. The hilts themselves, I ordered a plug for this today. So there's that. And I also ordered, I'm gonna order a brand new one. This one came from Pensacola. I'm gonna order a new one from Ultrasabers next month. So these are kind of expensive, but I want to have another battle saber so I can train myself how to, you know, do saber stuff. I know a little bit about it, but not a lot. All right, y'all. Well, that's the video. Until next time, I'm Jedi Master Arden and TI-18623, and I will see y'all later.